Hello everyone, my name is Arulanandan. I'm a third year undergraduate student of the Department of Electrical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. I'm currently a research intern at MRC. My project topic is sediment management focused on dredging. First, let's understand the importance of dredging. In tropical regions, there is a common issue of excessive sedimentation, which reduces the channel depths of water channels, which are important for the economy and navigation. And dredging helps in these situations by removing the excess sediments from these water channels and thereby ensuring proper navigation. And considering the tropical region, there are different climatic conditions and rich biodiversity, which makes the dredging more challenging, and the complete process of dredging needs more proper planning. My field of research lies in understanding the entire process and giving a guide to conducting dredging in Indian waters. This is the basic flowchart of the steps in the process of dredging. And the first part of dredging is the planning and designing phase. In the first part of planning phase, we have the decision of determining the type of dredging project. In India, there are two major dredging projects, which is classified into capital dredging and maintenance dredging. The capital dredging involves conducting dredging in a completely new area, which requires complex planning and machineries. And maintenance dredging is removal of sediments from existing channels in ports and harbors for smooth navigation. This is the general workflow of planning phase in our Indian guidelines. When I went through this guidelines and planning phase, I found a small issue with how things are being planned in India. That is the weightage given to stakeholder management. This aspect is very important, as the entire project of dredging is uh, determined by the relationship between the stakeholders, and this issue can be resolved by application of UDA framework in the process of dredging. The application of UDA framework in the process of dredging will make the communication among the stakeholders more efficient and helps in policy and capability building. It gives a structured approach towards facing many problems that occur during the planning phase of a dredging project. The equipment selection is an important step in the execution of dredging projects. Generally in India, the cutter section dredgers are used to dredge hard packed materials, especially during the capital dredging. And suction hopper dredgers are used for soft sediments, mainly during maintenance dredging. The monitoring dredging is an important aspect during a project execution phase, and the implementation of the marine social planning will be helpful in understanding and processing the data gathered from the bathymetric surveys and acoustic sensors. Uh, Finally, let's understand the final phase of dredging, which is sediment disposal. This sediment disposal uh, is a process of safely managing and removing sediments that are obtained from the dredging activities. This is the data that I have gathered from the ports records from 2021. And as you can see, the main method of sediment disposal carried out in India is open sea disposal. This isn't like a perfect method of sediment disposal, as directly introducing the entire sediment into the local aquatic system will increase the turbidity and will affect the lives of local aquatic systems. Let's take a case study that I have done on a Piagora channel in Brazil. And when they were doing dredging project on the Piagora channel, they discovered that introducing the sediment dredged into the direct oceanic disposal will cause a major degradation in the local aquatic system. So they have adopted a strategy of confined aquatic disposal, which is a safer method and safer alternative. And these methods can be implemented in India with proper planning and calibrations. There are also other methods and strategies that I have included in my first research note, few of which is confined disposal facility, which is similar to the confined aquatic disposal, but confined disposal facility is done on the land, and PFTM is pneumatic flow mixing tube, which transforms the dredge sediment into economically useful materials for constructions and land reclamation projects. And the future scope of dredging, we can apply underwater domain awareness framework and the marine spatial planning into the process of dredging, uh, which will increase the efficiency and planning of uh, the dredging projects. Thank you.